Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we just took it out of the truck and hit the gravel for the first time. You can already see the marks. This thing fucking gets it, dude. Like, you could do donuts, you can drift, you can do anything you want to. And we have this whole ass parking lot, like, all to ourselves, too. And it goes around behind the building, the gravel does. This is just endless fun in this fucking thing. And we aired up the tires. This thing hauls ass, dude.
And we don't, it'll probably even go faster if we fix this
Yeah,
shit.
if we fix that clutch, it'll have a higher top speed.
So
but
you already know what's up.
Yeah.
Eventually.
We're gonna get the GoPro going.
We got
taped a flashlight to the front.
Oh. We're gonna get a second one eventually.
We're gonna get a second Duracell to tape to it. But for the time being, this thing's nuts, dude. All right, let's go.
Take it all, ain't no way I can break it off. Girl, is you really down to pay the cost? Reverse the role that you can play the boss. Already know my vision is faded. I try to evade it but can't. I know you far from insane, but I keep lying to me, cause I've been dying to meet. And it feel like I follow you out in the street, and I promise you all that I know. Everywhere that my mind goes, elevated, heart strong but my head faded. Way back when we first dated, I'm gone now. Had to go cause I'm on now. When my intuition got me in the mission. We see eye to eye but you ain't in my vision on road.
Oh yeah! Oh, it died. Rip.
All right.
So, basically, we're just thinking that it's idling too low. That's why.
We don't have a screwdriver. Can you hold that actually so I can see the screw? Yeah, no, that was good. You had it. Yeah. Ja. Ben and Donnie. Oh, fuck.
Is it really the idle though? Because it's just us giving it. It like
I mean,
flooded the engine, I think.
That's possible. Are we doing donuts wrong? Hey, where's the bayonet?
Where's the what?
The bayonet.
It's in the back of your truck.
Oh, okay. Do we have a screwdriver in here?
Probably somewhere.
Here's one.
Wow.
That was easy. So we had fun, and right when I was about to do a top speed run to see how fast we could go, this clutch that I didn't think was really doing much other than just making noise caused our belt to disintegrate. I think it was too much friction. The belt is thoroughly fried and actually stuck inside the clutch. So we need a new clutch, which is $70, and a new belt, which is probably like 20. But after that, we will be cut down.
I feel like I'm gonna.
The chain.
No, you can't cut the chain, bro.
I know.
All right, here, ready? But in order to move it, we have to cut the belt. So, this is the belt. I could kind of tell it was cheap anyways, but it served its purpose. You're like that guy in Iron Man.